All right, we're going to do our in-cab for CDL walk around, beginning with our safety equipment. We have our fire extinguisher. It's properly secured, fully charged. I have 3 reflective triangles under the seat and 6 spare fuses in the fuse box behind the firewall. I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle, do a safe start. I'm going to mention that my ABS light for the truck and trailer came on and came off, indicating that the ABS system is working properly. I got my DEF indicator, which is working properly. I'll do my left turn signal indicator, working properly. Right turn signal indicator, working properly. 4-way flasher, working properly. High beams, working properly. So you got your hand on that lever here. We're going to go ahead and press the button for the windshield wipers. Windshield wipers are spraying fluid. The arms and blades are secure, operating smoothly, and they're snug to the windshield. We got our windshield clean and clear, not cracked or broken, no chips or flaws to the glass, no illegal stickers besides the inspection sticker here. Got our mirrors clean and clear, adjusted to our viewing. We have our defroster. It's blowing properly hot air. It's working properly. We have our service horn, or city horn, air horn, or highway horn. And that covers that. So we're going to move on to our air brakes. We're going to start with the cutout. The governor should cut out between 120 and 140 PSI. I'm going to go ahead and get it to cut in first. Give it a little bit on the accelerator. Get that compressor to start kicking in. Be using my top air gauge for all these tests, primary air gauge. Okay, cut out at 130. That's a good test. Now I'm going to do my applied air brake test, or applied air leakage test. I'm going to turn the truck off, turn the vehicle to the on position, release my parking brake and my trailer air supply. And the rule is you should not lose more than 4 psi in 60 seconds from the initial loss. Go ahead and apply the service brake. I am at 77 psi. Go ahead and start my 1-minute timer. Start 1-minute timer.
1 minute, counting down.
For the second time, I'm going to say my 1 minute is up. I'm at 80 psi, which I've actually gained some pounds per pressure. That's a good test. I've not lost more than 4 psi. Now I'm going to begin my spring or my low air warning indicator. Low air warning should come on between 55 and 75 psi. So I'm going to go ahead and fan the brake. Oh, the low air warning came on at 70 psi. That is a good test. I'm going to do my spring brake pop-out test. My spring brake should pop out between 20 and 45 psi. We'll continue fanning the brake. Spring brakes popped out at 40 psi. That's a good test. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle. Get my tanks fully charged. To do my tug test. The second time I'm going to pause this video. Okay, now the governor's cut out and you're fully charged. You start with testing the parking trailer supply by pressing into the parking brake, putting it in drive. Giving it one good romp on the pedal. So the air supply held, that's a good test. Go ahead and push it in. Pull out the parking brake. Give it one good romp. Parking brake held, that's a good test. Go ahead and release both the parking brake and the trailer air supply. Move forward at 5 miles per hour. Apply the service brake. Service brake's held, the truck stopped. It did not pull to the left or right, indicating an issue with the brake. That is a good test. Apply the brakes, put it in neutral. Then you ask the examiner, will you please go outside the vehicle and inspect my lights? And that is it for the in-cab.